Rahul Gandhi, India's main opposition leader, is out to fight Shakti. A member of parliament from Wayanad, down south in Kerala, he loves to widen the fault lines manufactured by his foreign masters. Be it the imaginary Aryan-Dravidian divide, the linguistic differences, or Bharat's religio-cultural divide. But this time, in his bid to divide Bharat, he has committed a huge blunder by insulting Shakti. For the eternal presence of Shakti across the subcontinent is what represents and unites Akhand Bharat fundamentally. For instance, Kerala, renowned as God's own country, is itself the birthplace of the great Adi Shankara who wrote the Mahishasur-Mardini slogan. In Tamil Nadu, we can see Shakti as Mahishasur-Mardini in the famous Pallava era cave temples of Mahabalipuram, as Meenakshi in Madurai and as Kamakshi in Kanchipuram. In Sringeri, Karnataka, Shakti is worshipped as Ma Sharda, an incarnation of Devi Saraswati. In Andhra and Telangana, she is worshipped in the famous Shakti Peeth of Jogulamba and as Brahmarambika Devi in Srisalem, as Kanak Durga in Vijayawada and as Gyan Saraswati in Basra. Not only this, the worship of Shakti is central to the tribal beliefs as well. At the Biligiri Ranganatha Swami temple in Karnataka, even Vaishnavas worship a Soliga tribal girl in the form of Shakti as Sri Ranganatha Swami's wife. Furthermore, Shakti as Durga or Uma is considered the sister of Sri Vishnu, the wife of Bhagwan Shiva and the mother of Ganesh and Subramanya, thereby acting as the binding force of Sanatana Dharma. This is precisely the reason why Rahul Gandhi's controversial remarks about Shakti cannot be seen as specific to a region or a sect. It is indeed an insult to Hindus from the entire Bharat. Think. Jai Ma, Jai Shri Ram.